What if I tell you that people are earning as high as 400,000 to 1 million naira every single month from this WhatsApp that is on your phone you've been playing with? If you're looking for the easiest way to start making money online in few hours, consider WhatsApp. Now, before you say, does it work? Listen to this lady.
Last month, I was able to raise over 2.7 million naira under 48 hours from just my WhatsApp group.
2.7 million naira in 48 hours, all from WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 smart ways you can start making money from your WhatsApp after watching this video. Number 3 is my favorite, and that's because I use it myself every single month and I rake in figures using this strategy. You and I know that WhatsApp is that app on our phone that we open 20 to 50 times a day. And that's why it's the best place to start making money online right now. Not only will I show you 4 ways to make money from your WhatsApp, I'm going to show you 7 strategic ways to grow your WhatsApp contact, because it's when you grow your WhatsApp contact, you'll be able to sell every single day to these contacts. Now, if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to share quick tips no one has ever told you about marketing on WhatsApp. So whether you've been in business for years, you're just starting out, you don't even know anything at all about making money online, there's something for you in this video. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight in. So the first way to make money from WhatsApp is to sell physical product. Now, before you say, do people really buy? Look at this. I bought this hair from someone I met on WhatsApp. I've been following her, viewing her WhatsApp status, and then I saw this particular hair. It caught my eyes. I reached out to her, made payment, and the hair was delivered to me. I may not know the exact amount she bought this hair, but from how much she sold it to me, she earned at least 20 to 30,000 naira profit from this hair alone. Here's how to do it. If you want to sell product, whether digital product or physical product on WhatsApp, you should use WhatsApp Business. The reason being that WhatsApp Business gives you access to what we call catalog. There are a lot of features that allow you to run your business smoothly using this WhatsApp Business version. Okay? There are actually 2 types of WhatsApp. We have normal WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. If you really want to make sales, you should consider using WhatsApp Business because it comes with a lot of functions and features that allow you to sell more. It gives you access to catalog upload where you upload your product and services so people easily see it and even contact you so easily. Now, the next thing is to use WhatsApp status. Guys, this is one of the most underrated marketing feature on this app. I bought this product just viewing someone's status. So this is how it works. You are going to upload beautiful, educating, and entertaining plus promotional images of your business. Don't go upload pictures of your product only because it's going to be boring. So you need to make it entertaining. The last image you upload on your status should be something that gets attention. You need to make the most attractive image, the last image on your status, because that's what we see. For us to see that image as very attractive, we need to see other products or services you must have uploaded before the last one. So end your WhatsApp status image with the most interesting image. Now, to get to this stage where you start selling every single day on your status, you would need to grow your WhatsApp contact. That's why you should wait to the end, because I'm about to show you 7 different ways to grow your WhatsApp contact to thousands of views. Now, the second way to make money from WhatsApp is WhatsApp TV or WhatsApp influencer. Guys, this is one of the newest and easiest way to make money. People charge as high as 10 to 50,000 naira to advertise for others on their WhatsApp status. In case you're saying, is it really possible? Look at this set of posts here. I got this post from Facebook groups where I belong. These are people asking at different times for recommendation on WhatsApp TV. Now, look at the comments and reactions on this post to show you that this is really a profitable business. Someone I know charges as high as 50,000 to advertise people on his WhatsApp status. Imagine you charge only 10k for this and you're able to get just 10 every month. That's a total of 100,000 naira just posting other people's business on your status. WhatsApp TV or WhatsApp influencing is basically you advertising other people's businesses on your status. People are paying you just to get your contacts view their product or service or their adverts. You can see people are making a lot of money using this strategy. And I bet you didn't know something as simple as this can fetch you a lot of money every single month. The third one is WhatsApp group. Guys, I don't know if anyone has told you that thing there is a gold mine. People are raking in hundreds of thousands of naira and dollars using this strategy. Now, personally, I use this WhatsApp group every single month to earn from my online business. Not only me, this lady too does it. Listen to
I was able to raise over 2.7 million naira from just my WhatsApp group.
So you see that this really works. And how does it work? Lead magnet. You need to drive traffic to this group. You need to make an offer, something they are interested in, something they love. Then when they get in the group, you offer them a freebie. If you're starting out, think of a freebie that you're going to offer them that will give them massive value, getting them ready for the paid offer you have for them. If you're able to deliver value in your free training or offer, when you make a paid offer, something affordable, you're going to be surprised at massive sales you're going to make from this. Now, amazing thing about this group stuff is that you have them to yourself. You can always sell to them anytime, any day. You can sell a product, which could be an ebook, an online course, a template. You can also sell a service where you host a masterclass, a webinar, just whatever it is. So long as it's something that offers value, people are open to paying you, because in their mind, if I got this much value from the free offer, only God knows how great, how valuable the paid offer would be. And if it's affordable, a lot of us will pay. The fourth way to make money from WhatsApp is affiliate marketing. Say you don't have a product or service, but you still want to make money on WhatsApp. You don't have a problem. You can actually sell other people's product. Look for product or service that solves their problem. Get your affiliate link and start promoting it to them. When any one of them buys using your link, you get affiliate commission from this. There's no limit to what you can affiliate for. All you need is head over to Google and search affiliates plus whatever you are looking for, and you're going to see lots of product and services that you can affiliate for. Here comes the sweetest part: how to grow your WhatsApp contacts so you'll be able to sell daily on WhatsApp. The first secret is to create a clickable link to your WhatsApp contact. Don't just give people your number and ask them to connect with you on WhatsApp, especially if you are starting out, because people will not have that patience of saving your number and going on WhatsApp to look for it. So as a new business owner, generate a clickable link that whenever you send the link to them, they click on the link, they land on your WhatsApp and you are chatting with them. This is a website that offers this service absolutely free. Not only that, you can even add an automated message, the message that those people will send to you once they click on the link. This service is free. All you need is open the website and then you get started. Now, once you get this link, the next thing is to head over to your social media account and drop this link there. For example, on Facebook, you can actually add this link on your bio. You know that place you introduce yourself, create a space where you add your WhatsApp link. Anytime someone clicks on it, it will take them to your WhatsApp straight up with the message you already automated. Another place to put this link is your pinned post. You can as well make posts on a daily basis with this link. One of the biggest secrets is to offer a special value that whenever people connect with you on WhatsApp, they have access to this value. So you can actually create an ebook, a freebie you give to them. Anyone that connects with you on WhatsApp has access to this. With this strategy alone, everybody would like to connect with you, and it makes it super easy to grow your WhatsApp contacts. The second way to grow your WhatsApp contact is referral marketing. There are people that are already on your contact list viewing this. You can actually reach out to them and ask them to refer their family and friends to connect with you. And trust me, if you already give value to them, they would easily do that because they want their family and friends to also partake in this value they too have been getting. The third way to grow your WhatsApp is to optimize your website and add WhatsApp opt-in form there. Something like this. So when people visit your website, it makes it super easy to connect with you on WhatsApp. The fourth way to grow your WhatsApp list is offline event. Yes, collect contact at conferences, meetups. You just literally have to share your contact with them. This may be a little cumbersome because you have to save the contact and reach out to them, but it's still a great way to grow your contact, and you would never can tell where your biggest buyers are coming from. The fifth way is collaboration. Partner with complementary businesses, people that have your target audience on their list. So this way, when you promote them, they promote you. So it's cross promotion. The sixth way is to incentivize. Offer special discount for only those people that connect with you on WhatsApp. Guys, trust me, this is one of the sweetest way to get people troop into your contact. Say you sell a particular product for 1,000 naira, and if you connect with me on WhatsApp, you get this product at just 800 naira. People will gladly connect with you on WhatsApp just to get that discount. You can also have it as a special freebie to only those people that connect with you on WhatsApp. The seventh way is your email list. Get your email subscribers to join your WhatsApp list for exclusive content. In all of this, there should always be exclusivity. There's this unique kind of content that can only be shared on WhatsApp. This is the motivation that will get them to join your WhatsApp list. This way, you'll be able to grow your contact and go on to make this sweet offer to your audience, make a lot of money non-stop. Now, if you follow all these strategies shared here, in a space of 30 days, you'll be able to grow your contact to a reasonable number that you start promoting to them. And what you offer them is exactly what they need, what solves problem for them, what they find valuable and irresistible, they are going to go on to start patronizing you. I have bought times with that number from people I met just on WhatsApp, and same time, people pay me daily from my WhatsApp engagement. So yes, it works, and it's going to work for you too. I hope you got value from this. Let me know, which of these strategies have you used before? Is there any of the options that I missed? Share with me in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to you. See you in my next video. Bye.